हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक सिंपल मैथ क्वेश्चन को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन है 3 पावर x प्लस 3 पावर x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 108, देन x इक्वल टू व्हाट? सॉल्यूशन, वी आर गिवन, क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे 3x plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 108. Use exponential rule. Three x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 3 power x. 3x plus 1 is equal to 3 power x into 3 power 1 is equal to 3 into 3 power x. Replace in the equation. Now rewrite the original equation using this rule. Three power x plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 108. 3 power x plus 3 into 3 power x is equal to 108. Both terms have 3 power x, so we take it common. 3x plus 3x bracket 1 plus 3 bracket close equal to 108. 3 power x into 4 is equal to 108. Divide both sides by 4. 3 power x into 4 by 4 is equal to 108 divided by 4. 3 power x is equal to 27. Now write 27 as a power of 3. 3 power x is equal to 3 power 3. Therefore, x is equal to